Hello YouTube, this is my dog Sadie. She went blind with SARDS. She woke up one morning and completely blind. That night she could see just fine. Anyway, 12/22 is when she was diagnosed with SARDS. That's 2013, and we're going to show you how well she gets along on moving around. This is what's this? The 17th of January. Hey Sadie, just to show you that she's completely blind, I got a treat here. Set it right there. She can't find it, so you gotta guide it to her. Alright, let's take a walk. So we got the harness around her that kind of guides her through the house. Come on, Sadie. Come on, girl. Let's go see the boys. Sadie, come on. She does bump into things time to time. Come on, let's go. Come on, Sadie. We actually ordered a clicker. So, come on. Step up. Good girl. She actually gets around pretty good. Go see Daddy. Come on. Right to me. Alright. Come on, Sadie. Come on, girl. Come on, Sadie. This way, Sadie. Down here. Come on, baby. Come on, girl. Come on. Good girl. Man, it seems like I'm tripping over more stuff than she is. She pretty much gets around as normal. Sadie. You go upstairs? Come on, let's show them how we go upstairs. Look at you. There she goes. Alright, Sadie. Come on, baby. Come on. Let's go back down. Come on. See that? It used to be our best friend right there. Although, still are good friends. She gets a little moody. Alright y'all, thanks for watching.